right, so Amazon's been boasting for a little while that they want to make this whole fleet of drones that can make deliveries and whatnot. What I want to find out is if consumer drones can do that now. This is Amazon HQ, Drone Research Center. This is unfortunately the only drone I've got left, so this is going to be our stand-in for our delivery drone today. I've been developing this carrying harness.
Super high-tech carrying harness.
Yeah, patent pending. We've got to make the vehicle a little more official. Since we're doing official business and we're doing a lot of Amazon's work for them. Drone recover vehicle.
You totally messed that up.
Did I not spell it right?
A to Z, bro. A to Z.
That's what X Games Gold Medals does for you. Should we do the other side? Oh, look, we've got our first order.
And it's a rush delivery.
Oh my goodness.
We better drone it.
Actually, we do. It is. We're going 4 miles away. Our first order is for a Kong ball. These are dog chew toys for like really aggressive dogs. I weighed this before, and with drool and slobber and all, this thing weighs exactly 250 grams. I can't take the drone off the ground with this already attached, so I'm gonna put this on the drone, hand launch it, and then attach our payload. Actually really conveniently has a hole right in the middle.
The first problem is the drone can't handle picking the dang thing up off the ground.
As I said, this is R&D. I had to turn the downward facing sensors off because it's just gonna detect the ball and then not come down or just keep going up. We're going to let this truck pass for sound. The furthest I've ever flown out and returned was 4 miles out, 4 miles back. That was with no payload, so hand launching. All right, payload on. Okay, you got it? And we're going up. All right, we gotta go. We got deliveries to make. We gotta go.
First, seat belts, Chris. Seat belts.
Thank you.
More research and development. We are safe.
Okay, sport mode is on.
So you might need to go a little higher to get up above the power lines once we get a little farther over.
All right, I should really put my seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Okay, we're drifting. That looks really cool.
Still over the road.
All right, mine sport mode. Yes. Wow. Okay, battery is dropping quick. We still got to make it back. That looks awesome.
Is that as fast as you can go?
Yeah. It's actually pretty calm wind today, but there must be some wind up there.
Pull over this car past us in a second.
How fast are we going?
We're going 40.
Okay.
But we're about to pass the ground, so.
Okay. Well, let's keep it in line of sight.
This car behind.
Okay.
Keep going a little bit.
Yep. Oh yeah. We don't have enough batteries. Stop.
There it is.
All right. Going over a little bit. Yep. Yep. Man.
You gotta cut the corner a little bit.
Yeah. Oh heck yeah. We're down to 78% already. Look at him up there.
You don't know you're gonna make it, Bob.
He's just,
I mean,
screaming away.
I feel like you'll get to the house, but I don't think you're gonna get back.
We have to get back.
Are you sure
this
there's not
whole
gonna be
system relies on us getting back?
Drone wireless charging stations along in strategic
Like
places.
we had like a
where you could land and it charges and then you take back off.
We had like a solar panel sitting on top.
Why hasn't anybody done that yet?
It's a good question. It's a really good question.
Better patent that. It would probably take way too much panels for the thing.
Oh yeah, for it to be efficient. Yeah.
I just watched that movie Interstellar the other day on the airplane.
You're right there.
There's a drone that has been flying around for years because it charges itself. That's what we're talking about.
Oh yeah, that's what we need to. Oh, we got in a car.
I'm trying to be a courteous driver, Chris.
Yeah, yeah.
And not like walk people.
Wow. Good courteous driving. Look, steady. We're cutting across over. Okay, we are coming. Oh heck yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo. We're gonna make this.
Where's your battery at?
59.
Move Well, it's not going to use as much battery coming back, though.
I know,
You're not
hopefully.
going to have the payload.
And I think we've got a little bit of tailwind coming back. Ah, freaking stop sign.
Complete stop.
Go, 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 go.
Go! I'm obeying the law. I always drive
Nobody
like
does
that.
anything illegal on YouTube. All right, I'm flying over the old Derek right now, right there.
Okay, yeah. The old Daisy filming.
Old filming location.
Alright, we should be coming up.
All right, we're at 52%. I just really hope.
I think 50 will be enough to get back without the weight of the Amazon package.
We're fulfilling dreams right now with people being able to get their orders within minutes of ordering. We've been in the air for what?
Where are you right now?
I'm over your neighbor's house. The one across the street from you. I'm almost at the house. All right. 45%. Going down.
Gonna drop in the driveway?
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to put it in the driveway. Okay. Getting lower. I guess I should move the camera. Yeah. Alright, we're still good. Oh, I didn't get over the driveway. There we go. Whoa! Alright, here we are. Okay. Drone delivery. Coming in hot. Hang on, I gotta get the removal. And we're free. Woohoo! Wait, you gotta leave the delivery. There you go. All right, success. Get out.
Okay.
Wow,
Okay,
almost hit that
okay.
tree. Okay.
They're all like, what
What was that, guys? I want to go in a straight line because, like, if you look right here, straight line to where we were is that green line right there.
Well, that's because we got to make this corner first.
We are. All right, we're at 37%. Now we've got a tailwind. We're doing 45 now.
Oh, we got to make it.
Come on, baby, come on. Look at him. We've got 5 minutes of flight left.
Oh, we'll make it.
5 minutes of flight time. All right. All right, now we're parallel to the road that the drone is on. So the drone is headed straight back for where we took off. In case you're wondering, we know all of these farmers right here. Ooh, 30%.
Oh, we're gonna make it.
We're 2 miles out from where we took off.
This guy's gotta get out of our way, though. Okay.
Go, 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 go. Alright.
How are you gonna do this by yourself?
I don't know. We're good, we're good. We're running right along this road. I'm so proud of it. It's so majestic. This is a noble cause. 23%. Okay, we're still over a mile away from where we took off.
Is it in front of us or behind us? I lost
It's
it.
right here. It's right in front of us.
Oh, okay.
No, we're totally gonna make this. We could have gone way further.
How high are you?
200 feet from where we took off. I'm passing, so look right there. You see me, I'm passing on the far side of the tower. I'm almost back to HQ. Shush.
They tell you the battery's getting low?
Yeah, I'm at 14%.
Yeah, you're chilling, bro. We're almost there.
1,200 feet. 600 feet to make history.
Here we are.
Coming down for a landing. Easy, don't pass our driveway.
I got past it.
Beautiful. Yo. Guess I shouldn't. Oh, went too far.
Oh, we almost got the power line.
I know. You're gonna have to catch it. It's actually auto landing now. This is a historic moment. All right, get your hand under it. Watch your fingers. There you go. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Woohoo!
How much battery we got left?
We've got 8%.
We could have gone a little farther.
Could have gone a little bit further. So I think this proves pretty well. Drones are ready. The technology is here. Post the link so you can get your own harness down in the description. Our total flight distance, 36,633 feet. What's that, like 6 miles? It's about 7 miles. We had a
6.93806.818 miles.
There it is. That is very
I
specific.
did that in my head.
So it's 36,633 feet with a 13-minute flight time. If we pass the legislation, so we have to watch line of sight, we can fulfill a 4-mile service radius and fulfill orders within 6 minutes. I think we have successfully proven that the drone technology is ready. It's ready now. We don't need to wait. It's not some future thing, and I don't think we need Amazon's money at all. Good job, Mavic Pro. Good job, buddy. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one. What can we call our service?
C&M delivery. Coming to a 3-mile radius near you.
That's right. We're gonna need a crap ton of drones. You know that, right?